Hi everyone, Ipsy here. Today I am going to show you how to make a little shamrock just for St. Patrick's Day. This shamrock can be used in lots of different ways. You can make a garland out of them and hang it up. You could put a pin back on it and pin it to your shirt in case you don't have anything green. Kind of just go wild with it. Alright, so today you will need any color of yarn. I chose this pretty emeraldy green color. You can do lime green, whatever you want. A crochet hook that goes with your kind of yarn. If you use a bigger yarn, you need a different crochet hook. A pair of scissors and a needle. Okay, so to start, I am going to make a slip knot. You can do either a slip knot or if you like magic rings better, go for it. Okay, I'm going to chain 4. Sorry. If you are doing a magic chain or a magic circle, only chain 3. And then I'm going to do a double crochet into that first chain. Okay. And then I'm going to chain 3 again. And into that first chain again, I'm going to slip stitch. Pretty much everything goes back to that first chain. Okay. Next, I'm going to chain 3. So that's 1 petal. And then I'm going to double crochet back in that chain, that first chain that we did. Chain 3 again. And slip stitch back in that chain. Okay. I'm going to get my tail out of the way. I'm going to chain 3. Okay, so we have 2 petals or leaves, whatever they are. Double crochet back in that first chain, chain 3, and slip stitch. Okay, and there is the main part of it. So now you just want to chain 4 is about right. If you want to make a longer stem, you can. Doesn't really matter. Then skip that first chain and slip stitch in that next chain. And then second chain and third chain. So you'll have 3 slip stitches. And then just to kind of finish it off, go back to that middle. There will be a hole there now. And then slip stitch that. To finish it off, I'm going to do a chain. I'm going to snip it with my scissors. And then just pull that. Okay. And then you're going to want to close up that middle part so it looks nicer. So you're just going to pull that back thread a little bit just to close it up. And there is your shamrock. Super quick, super easy little pattern. Okay. And then I'm going to use a needle to do this next part. You can use your hook if you are better at that. Just depends on what you like to do. And I'm just going to pull my tails through a little bit. Doesn't have to be too much, just enough so that they don't really unravel too badly, you know. Kind of whatever you think, you know. I did that first one through 2 leaves, and I'll probably do this one through 2 leaves as well. And I'm just doing through, I don't know if you can tell that bigger part there. It's kind of easier to find where to go through on that. And then I'm going to cut these fairly close, like almost right up against pretty much that shamrock. And then he is done. As I said, this is a nice quick project, so you can do tons of these. Honestly, you could use them as confetti because they're so fast too. So if you wanted to make a 4-leaf clover, all you're going to do is you're going to, after that 3rd leaf, instead of making the stem, you're just going to chain 3 again, do another double crochet, chain 3 again, and slip stitch it back in, then do your stem. I will warn you, it does make it a little difficult to see the individual leaves. It's not quite as pretty as this guy. This guy is, you can definitely tell he's a shamrock. So I hope you liked today's video. If you liked today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and tell your friends about it. I hope to see you all soon. Bye.